Step-by-Step Guide to an Amicable Divorce in Torrance. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you and your spouse are on the same page and want to keep things amicable, divorce in Torrance doesn't have to be stressful or expensive. With the right steps, you can complete the process smoothly and without unnecessary drama. Here's how it works step by step. First, file your petition for dissolution of marriage with the Torrance branch of the Los Angeles Superior Court. Second, serve your spouse. Usually the simplest way is with a Notice of Acknowledgment Receipt, which avoids hiring a process server. Third, both of you must complete financial disclosures. These are mandatory in every California divorce, even if you've already agreed on everything. Fourth, draft and sign your marital settlement agreement to cover property, debts, support, and custody if you have children. Finally, submit your full judgment package through the court's e-filing system. If done correctly, the court can approve your divorce in just weeks, and it will finalize automatically once the 6-month waiting period is over. For example, we worked with a Torrance couple who wanted their divorce wrapped up quickly and without conflict. By following this exact step-by-step process, their paperwork was approved in just a few weeks, and they never had to step foot in court. At Divorce 661, amicable divorces are our specialty. We prepare, file, serve, and finalize everything for one flat fee, making sure your case moves forward quickly and without paperwork rejections. If you and your spouse are ready for a smooth, stress-free divorce in Torrance, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll guide you through every step and help you finalize your divorce with confidence.